Welcome to my YouTube channel, Boro News Radar. Now I am going to be asked about the hills which we are at now, Jordanpur. No? Now in this hill, my dear brother Mohan Busumutari also present here. Now I would like to ask about the hills to him. Please describe the method of you coming here.
Right now, I am in a location called Jordanpur. It is an extreme remote place from the town of Dikejali. It's a beautiful location covered by beautiful scenario and natural beauty. Uh, right now, I have observed that the land is very fertile and the area is very good. And we have lots of opportunity here. Uh, but the farmers here, people around here, they are not getting the scope. So this time we have come here with a new project to help farmers and people around here or around the Jordanpur. We have come with a new project how we can make it successful in this area.
How kind of project are you going to be established here?
It's an agriculture based project. Yeah, we are planning to do an agriculture project, and it's a varieties of agricultural products which farmers can do here.
Now this is the hill area. How it will be possible to farm?
Though it is a hilly area, on top of the hill it is a plain. It's not like other hills. It's we can see that it's plain. On top of the hill, it's a big plain area is here. So we will not face any kind of problem here because there is no trees. It's completely like other plain areas.
Already I have learned about this hill. Now here is a large number of the animals like a elephant and another.
For elephants and other animals, we'll have another protection facilities here, like fencing and different kind of animal protection facilities will be providing here for the farmers.
And any others?
So I would like to say good luck to all the farmers and the people around here. They will be getting very soon a new opportunity and a new agricultural technique of doing plantation. And I hope it will help farmers in the near future.
Thank you very much.